Now here we go, dropping science, dropping it all over. Like bumping around the town like when you're driving a Range Rover.
Expanding
The horizon,
and
expanding the parameters.
expanding the rhymes of sucker MC amateurs.
And Noggle, Isaac,
Newton,
a scientific Z. A Ben Franklin with a kite, a getting over with the key. Now rock, shocking the mic of the many times the times table.
Rockwell to tell the spell all of the old fables.
Cause I've been dropping the new science, and I've been kicking the new knowledge.
And I'm see to a degree that you can't get in college.
Now the dregs
Of the earth
and the eggs that I eat, I got
pegs through my
hands,
airborne through my
feet, shade, stadium, the radium,
EMD square.
kick out of the palladium. Should think that I can't? It's the sounds of science. The sounds of science. Science. Robot-dope. The newest in new.
Right up to your face and dish you.
Waxing and milking all of your squares. Time and money for girls covered with honey. Till I aspire to be as cunning. Feeling a rock and roll a B-size D-cup. Order the quarter deluxe. Why don't you wait? Come on, mine is kind of blowing like an oil projector. Had to get up to get the Jimmy protector. Went to surf and work, then exploded. She woke up in the morning and her face was coated. Buddy, study, the man on the mic.
Do what you like.
Well, drunk goes in my celebration, the beat that's making it. Well, I figured out who makes the track. The suckers with the badges and the blue jackets. Cycle of sayings, 'cause I keep trapping it. I smell weed 'cause y'all keep popping. People always ask me what's the phenomenon.
Yo, what's up?
Yo, what's going
No
on?
one really knows what I'm talking about. Yeah, that's right. My name's Yao. Constantly on the fountain youth, not Robotron. Peace is a word I've heard before, so
And move up on the dance floor.
I'm gonna die one day, 'cause I'm going and going this way.
Not like a roach or a pizza toast.
I'm going out first class and going out coach.
Rock my Adidas, never rock Fila.
I do not sniff the coke, I only smoke the Sensi Mila.
Well, however, no, I know. Let's go. What I live on right. And that's strictly wrong. I got science for any occasion.
Postulating theory, formulating equations.
Well, teachers it, it's no blizzard. Eat a chicken gizzard with a girl named Lizzie.
Dropping science like Galileo dropped the orange.